Hi kids, this is called the Amazing Octopus. And what you're going to try to do is you are going to try to identify the main idea. What is it all about? So I'm going to read you a little chapter in our book and you're going to have to figure out the main idea and then you have to list 3 sentences that support that main idea. So this story is called The Amazing Octopus. Now your job is to listen super carefully to this and identify the main idea. So the title of this chapter is How an Octopus Moves. Sometimes the octopus needs to move fast. The octopus fills its body with water. Then it pushes the water out. The octopus speeds through the water. It can go as fast as 25 miles per hour. After listening, you probably know what the topic is. So right here, you're going to write, what is the topic of this story? What's 1 or 2 words to tell us what this whole book would be about? Then here it says, this text is all about what? So you have to figure out what specifically are we learning about that topic and write it on this line. After you do that, you're going to come up with 1 sentence, 2 sentences, 3 sentences from the story that go back to what it was all about. They give details about that big main idea. So that's your job. Take your time, look back at how do octopus move, and really think about all of the details that are in that chapter.